Today we're going to talk about what Icon Vehicle Dynamics has for your Ford Bronco. What's going on, Buck family? We're going to talk about some offerings for your Ford Bronco from Icon Vehicle Dynamics. And they offer, lifts, control arms, wheels, and a lot of more dynamic stuff as well. So let's take a look. So I'm on their website right now, and I basically just put in 2021 Ford Bronco, and then I'm going to go to products, and I'll walk through you guys right here. So we'll go there, and we'll go here, go here, 2021, go Ford, and then we'll go Bronco. And then I'll bring you to all the parts that they offer for that. So obviously they have a lot of stuff to go through. They have a 3-inch spacer kit, which I've seen a lot of people have been running. So that's basically here. It comes in at $419. They do offer upper and lower control arms that are billet, which are pretty good. They're adjustable a little bit too, which is awesome. So I would definitely look into those if you're looking for control arms. And those come in. They're worth the price. Icon's one of the top level suspension upgrade part manufacturers out there. Then they have a ton of wheels that will work with the Bronco. You can see them here. I mean, there's so many of them. I won't even try to go through them all right now in this video, but they look nice. They have good finishes. I've seen them on other Broncos. A lot of people run these rebounds in multiple finishes on their Broncos. So then as you scroll down, you see more of their shock options. Obviously, they have so many different options and picks compared to where you want it to be firm, soft, off-road, on-road. It's just sky's the limit there, guys. Then they offer some more, some apparel, that kind of stuff. Let me go back up to the top and I'll show you more of their offering here. So this is the one I kind of want to really talk about today, which was their 3-inch coilover spacer. It looks really nice. It gives the vehicle a nice look, nice and tall look. I've seen a couple people running this kit already, and I would pair this kit with the control arms. So you pair that kit with either their control arms, and I know they're working on some tubular options as well, which would be right. I don't think they have them listed yet. So I'm looking forward to those. Let me see. Yeah, they don't have them listed yet, but I know they're coming. So stay aware that they're coming. And actually, let me actually show you those. Go to the other tab here. So you can see that they're coming out for Bronco here. Their upper control arm, their lower and upper control arms, their rear, and they actually have a track bar coming as well. So that's awesome for everyone that's looking for a more affordable upgrade from Icon. I guarantee there's going to be a little less than the billet options, but they offer their Delta joint, which is awesome. Doesn't need to be surfaced all the time. It's going to hold together, and no dirt or anything's going to get up in there. They do have a lifetime warranty on all their products, which is awesome. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys those and show you what Icon Vehicle Dynamics has for coming for the Ford Bronco, and I appreciate the support and all the love from the channel. I'm going to be having some guest speakers on here from different manufacturers and different companies coming soon. So please subscribe, like the channel. You guys are supporting me and the channel very well, so I just appreciate all the love. But stay tuned for another video.